Have you ever wanted to learn about AI but didn't know where to start? Well, Google has recently released a set of free training courses for generative AI, aimed at beginners and those with intermediate knowledge. This video will provide an overview of each course, highlighting its main features and prerequisites. The first course is an Introduction to Generative AI. This is designed to be an overview of what generative AI is and how it differs from traditional machine learning methods. Next, we have the Introduction to Large Language Models. This course explores what large language models are, where they are used, and how to use prompt tuning. It's interesting to note that prompt writing is being touted as a skill of the future. Following this, we have the Introduction to Responsible AI. This is an ethical course that delves into what responsible AI is, how it's implemented in Google products, and why it's important. This course introduces Google's 7 AI principles, covering topics from social responsibility to safety, accountability, and privacy design principles. Then we have Generative AI Fundamentals, which is a quiz covering topics from the first 3 courses. The 5th course is the Introduction to Image Generation. This is an introduction to diffusion models, which are a family of models used in image generation. Some pre-existing knowledge of machine learning, deep learning, convolutional neural nets, and/or Python programming is suggested. Following this, we have the Encoder-Decoder Architecture. This is an overview of a machine learning architecture for tasks like machine translation, text summarization, and question answering. Python and TensorFlow knowledge is suggested as a prerequisite. The 7th course is Attention Mechanism. This is a technique that allows neural networks to focus on specific parts of an input sequence. Some pre-existing knowledge of machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and/or Python programming is suggested. Next, we have Transformer Models and BERT Model. Here, you'll learn the main components of the transformer architecture. Intermediate machine learning experience as well as knowledge of Python and TensorFlow are recommended. The penultimate course is Create Image Captioning Models. This course teaches you how to create an image captioning model using deep learning. Deep learning, machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and Python are recommended prerequisites. Finally, we have the Introduction to Generative AI Studio. In this course, you'll walk through demos of the Generative AI Studio, which helps prototype and customize generative AI models. There is a hands-on lab at the end. To summarize, Google is offering 10 comprehensive AI courses free of charge, providing foundational knowledge on AI and potentially serving as a pathway to Google Cloud certifications. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to expand your horizons with Google's free AI courses. Sign up now and start enhancing your AI skills. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you found it informative and inspiring. The world of artificial intelligence is vast and full of possibilities, and with Google's free AI courses, you're just a click away from diving into it. If you enjoyed this content and want to keep up with the latest on AI, technology, and more, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We're constantly updating with insightful content designed to keep you informed and ahead of the curve. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button now and join us on this journey of learning and discovery.